What's up, guys? I just wanted to film like a little bit of a quick video, giving an update to people about what the car looks like and a little bit of the stage 4 parts that I got. My car looks like that now. I don't have the old rims. I got some BBS LMs, some real wheels. I've wanted them for a while. I do like the old rims, but I like the BBSs a lot better. I just kind of bought those as filler rims until I could get those. And then I did some custom work on the headlights. I'll show you both the rims and the headlights in just a second. And then I've been doing a lot of stage 4 stuff. So basically, my goal is around 400 wheel. It's pretty mild, especially with a stage 4 build, but I still daily drive the car. I want it to be, somewhat reliable with 400 wheel. If I get 450 wheel, I'll be super happy. But while I basically drive around the car with 400 wheel, I'll end up building another motor on the side so I can go for more. And basically all I have to swap is the motor, do bigger injectors, and then bigger turbo. And then I'll probably shoot for like 600 wheel. So I'm sitting on the floor, but I got a bunch of pieces of the stage 4 puzzle right here that I was just gonna show you real quick. And then I'll show you the car and where it's at right now. I'm assuming, well, I am kind of busy, but if I could do it, I'll probably be done by April, and then I'll be doing a lot more posting on Instagram for sure. I don't know about YouTube, but I'll definitely post videos and all that on Instagram, and then basically updated process, like first startup with everything on it, and then from that I'll do videos from there, post pictures and all that fun stuff. But let me flip this around real quick. So for my water methanol, I chose Aquamist. I ordered it from Aquamist Direct, which their water methanol system. I did two 1.0 millimeter injectors or sprayer, and then I did a 1.2 millimeter sprayer as well. We'll see, talk with my tuner and see which one I need for sure. But they come with a super nice little manual on how to install it. Basically, I just follow this step by step. I'm sure I'll post probably a video on it. A lot of people are asking on installs and all that, so I'll do that for sure. The little gauge that it has is pretty cool. I'll show you where I'm gonna mount that in the car. Use that. Obviously all the connectors and stuff. I don't think I'll open all this right now, but here's the little controller piece. Basically all the ports for all the plugins. Super nice and labeled. It is more of an expensive kit compared to other ones, but one of the main reasons I did this was for fail-safe integration. Other kits kind of have a similar thing, but this one is direct for ECU fail-safe integration. And then here's the pump right here. Make sure you always, no matter what methanol solution you go with, make sure you always mount this pump lower than where the methanol fluid is going to be in. Otherwise you can burn out the pump, and then you're not pumping methanol, obviously, and that can cause problems. And then obviously right here you see these little Evil Energy little bags, and then this Radium Energy Engineering, not energy, fuel pressure regulator. So this is the one I'm going to be using. You don't have to use this specific one. You can use, there's a lot of different ones. This is the one I wanted to use. They're pretty local to me, about 20-30 minutes away in Clackamas, Oregon. And then they have this little mounting bracket that you can use for this. And then they also have all these little fittings and stuff. I chose 6AN PTFE line for my fueling, because it's compatible for both E85 and pump gasoline. So whenever I wanted to use the 85, I can. And then obviously there's all of these. I use these little fittings. So I have straight connectors. I have 90-degree connectors. Let me see if I can pick one. 90-degree connector right here. These ones are super highly rated. You can get them off Amazon, basically. You can also order this off Amazon. This I ordered directly from Radium. And then Injector Dynamics, that's what I'm going to use for my injectors. I did ID 1050X's. Nice little Injector Dynamics sticker. I could post down the link below of exactly which ones I got. These are the ID 1050X's again. Obviously 5 of them because it's 5 cylinders. These new connectors. Sticker to add horsepower, of course, because you want to add more horsepower. I ordered these actually from a site that mainly sells stuff for GTRs, T1 Racing Development. I'll post that link for actually all this stuff below. Amazon link for this kit. I'll post the link for this Radium, this Aquamist methanol solution, and then you can literally find this anywhere. It's a 450 liter per hour pump, and it's, yeah, fuel pumps are fairly cheap actually, and you don't want to, I'm going to say cheap out on your fuel system, but probably the fuel pump is probably the cheapest part of it. But make sure you buy over what you think you're gonna make. So I ordered a 450. I probably could have ordered something like 500. 450 should be ample, especially for 400 wheel. ID 1050s will be ample. I wanted to get the 1300s, but I couldn't help myself from just getting the ID 1050s. They're at a very nice price point. The 1300cc injectors are just outrageously expensive compared to these, and these will do just fine for a while. That way you don't have to spend too much money on injectors, but these injectors will do well with what I want. They can give me the horsepower range that I want. And then obviously I have the xclutch installed, but I'm gonna make a new little, I got this heat tape. I'll probably get the sheets of the tape for my new firewall because I'm gonna rip out the OEM one. I have a bunch of Innoovate gauges. Bear with me while I struggle. This one specifically is the oil pressure, oil temp. White blocks, if you know anything about white blocks, have a problem with keeping oil pressure. This will help me know whether I have oil pressure or not, besides the dummy gauge that tells me I'm out of oil. But yeah, I specifically went with Innoovate. They're super clean gauges, super nice quality. I like some other gauge companies use a little plastic bracket for this, and this one's metal. I don't really like using plastic brackets because they kind of crack, but this one's super nice, super clean for my setup. I like how this little part right here, some gauges I've seen protrude a lot. I don't like that look. It kind of looks funky, but obviously they have all the ports and connectors, and then they give you this little Innoovate sticker, of course. They give you a silver faceplate in case you wanted that. Let's see what else. They also give you a white plate for the front. I'm gonna go black because it will match my setup perfectly. And let's see what else. Let's go check out the car. I just wanted to show you the gauges right here. So this is a boost and AFR gauge right here from Innoovate. as well. And this is an Innoovate. I'm using a coolant temp, and then obviously it comes with the plus of battery voltage. Like, I really need to know that, but it could be handy. And then here's the aquamist gauge right here. It's gonna be mounted on my pillar. It's gonna look super sick. I've always wanted a triple gauge pod. They don't really make a solution for an R unless you custom fit it. I basically retrofitted a glow shift gauge pod on there, and then I'm actually going to keep this IPD gauge, not only because it matches these, but because my fiance gave it to me, and I also love the gauge. And then I'll do some custom fitting right here. Basically cut this out and trim it exactly how I want it to fit the oil temp and oil pressure. Now I'm going to show you the outside real quick. So here's the BBSs I got. These, even, I'm running spacers, but even without the spacers, they can clear the Brembos. I'm still running 15mm spacers in the front, and then 20 in the rear. And then I'm on KW coilovers. They're KW V2s. I ordered them from Viva. And then these I actually picked up from 5x108 Heavyweight. Super awesome guy. Fairly local to me, only a couple hours away. And I picked these up for an amazing deal. So, and then here's where the car sits as of now. Still need to rip that out. And then I sent the head off to the shop. And then here is what a stage 2 s60r looks like on a s60r tune. I'll link his Insta down below. If you want a tune and you're afraid you're gonna crack your block, just be like, hey, I'm not shimmed, give me the sauce, and he'll give you the sauce to not crack your block. I can send you whatever pictures, videos of my cylinder walls. None of them are cracked. I don't have any stress fractures. All this looks good. I'm gonna pull these out, clean them up, re-ring them, and then put the new head on, and then get some more sauce going. But here's how it looks. And then these lights right here, these were custom done by Rogue Lighting, a local guy to me. If any of you are on the fence about getting custom light work done, he does an amazing job. If you have any problems with the lights, he fixes them. He's come over a couple times. I actually added more because I wanted custom lights that not everybody has. Everyone goes with like the retrofit where they put the projector right here, and that's about it. It's a super clean look. Shifting Lanes did it. It looks good, but I just wanted something a little bit more, so I added this sequential strip and then these lights. So there's one in here, and then two, I got the R etched and then blacked out. These are the R housings. They were on the car originally. He just did basically a retrofit and then added everything that I wanted. I can't get a video right now since the battery is disconnected, but Rogue Lighting, hit him up. I'll link him below for any of your lighting needs. I'm sure he does shipping. Just DM him, ask him any questions. But I think the blacked out look like way cleaner. And then I'll get new lenses without this little ribbing right here, but they look super sweet even without the lights on. And yeah, they're just amazing work done. And then I got some more stuff in here. It looks like a Volvo threw up, but I redid the cam cover, basically. Some people call it a valve cover, in a gold metallic. I think it looks awesome. Don't care about your opinions. Actually, I do, but then again, I don't, because I formed my own. The turbo I'm going to be using is a BorgWarner 252. I did this application because I wanted an external wastegate. The 7163 is very similar to this. You can get the same power ranges. This is basically the non-EFR version of the 7163. It'll get me to where I want. And then some custom piping done by Cody Halme. Welds look super sick. And then I'm going to be running this tile recirculating back into the intake pipe. So that's the new intake pipe in OTE. And then this tubular manifold is also done by him. I heat wrapped it. We'll see how it looks in 6 months, but I think it looks good right now. Here's where the external wastegate will go. It's taped off right now since I painted it black. And then and some flame proof, of course. This is where the wastegate will go, and then this will be attached to it. And I'm doing a hood dump. I've always wanted one. You can either hate me or love me for it, but I'm gonna do it. And then I painted the intake manifold black until I can get an upgraded one. I think it'll just look way cleaner. And then of course I have a conglomeration of IPD parts, new tubing, and these I got from basically NGKs. They're the colder running spark plugs. I picked them up locally just because I get a discount at certain auto parts stores. And then of course Volvo coolant, and of course my stock turbo that I'll never need again because we're going big. I just wanted to do a quick overview of everything I have in this little room right here. Just throwing up Volvo parts. And then if you guys want to see anything specific, let me know down below. I'll link as many parts as I can down below. And then that roller shot that you guys saw, shout out to Eric. Probably not even lying here, best photographer in this area for sure, without a doubt. I've taken photos of my car and I can get them to look nothing like his look way better. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. Otherwise, I'm just blabbering on.